In California, we're about to see a most dangerous 12-hour window because of wind. Two new fires have already broken out in Southern California. The auto fire in Ventura County, that's just north of Los Angeles, right now about 50 acres and under 25% containment, but you got to stay tuned on that because of what's coming tonight. Breaking out just hours ago, the Scout fire, Riverside, currently covering 2 acres, no containment at all. It's a fresh blaze. That's in the city of Riverside, about 50 miles east. So north, east. Why? Because as the wind whips, you're going to start to see a constellation of combustible situations. The danger to come tonight, 40 to 70 mile an hour winds tonight into tomorrow morning. Those winds plus low humidity plus many months of drought, recipe for reversing much of the firefighters' progress. Let's get on the ground. California Fire Battalion Chief Brent Pascua. Chief, good to see you as always. You told me that you guys are doing as much as you can in advance for these winds. They've already been picking up. How are you situated? What's the biggest concern?
The biggest concern is those winds that you talk about. And so we still have the troops on the ground. We have the surge of engines in those neighborhoods. We have yet to see the winds here, but that doesn't mean we let our guard down. We're still working hard to find any of that hidden heat that may be there. And I'm happy to announce that the acreage has not changed in the last 2 days. The fire is holding within its perimeter.
What is the hope that it is that way tomorrow morning or the next time I speak to you?
Yeah, that's right. We hope that there is no more growth in this fire. There's no flare-ups. There has been no flame or smoke on this fire for a couple of days, and we want to keep it that way. So that's why we're still out there looking for that hidden heat that could come to the surface with these winds.
What's hidden heat, and why are you at all confident that you can outdo what the winds are going to undo tonight?
Well, I don't want to be overconfident because we know what 70-mile-an-hour winds look like. So we have our crews out there. That hidden heat is when the brush burns and it transfers down to the roots. And that packed dirt is a perfect environment for those coals to stay hot and eventually come to the surface and be able to blow over our containment line if we don't find them and put them out.
Chief, we're showing the map right now. Is the manpower, are the men and women ready to go? Is there anything that they need that they don't have?
I believe so. This is not coming as a surprise to us. So we put, again, extra engines, extra crews. We've been working around the clock to make sure that we are out there mopping up. We've even been doing defensible space behind homes that need it in preparation for this wind event.
Let me give you something to smile about before you go into this night's activities. Hey, thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget, click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.